What's up guys, on this site I ordered a car wash to find out about it. And look guys, I've got it. The hose is flexible and easy to fold. There are fasteners on both sides of the hose. The nozzle is too small and I'm not sure it's good. It fastens very easily. There's a lock for constant water supply. There is also a handle adjustment. You can also choose water supply options. But you can't shampoo it. You should buy such a nozzle. It is also easy to fasten. The tips are the same. Here is filled with shampoo. And this is a switch from shampoos to water. The containers is unscrewed by thread. Special shampoo is sold in any car shop. But this nozzle is not for shampoo. You can see all the characteristics of the motor on the screen. There is a small convenient switch. Filter for water from the reservoir. The pump has exactly the same connection. And now the test. Let's connecting to the car. I use extension cord. Connect the hose to the pump. Short hose into the water. See how the retainer works. This is not the same water pressures in the car washes. A narrow stream of water reaches further. Let's connect to fan nozzle. Select the desired mode and switch to farm. The frame doesn't cover the car very well. Let's measure the length of the hose in steps. Almost 12 steps. The hose is easy to assemble. The entire set fits in a small bucket. As for me, I don't use it, because the water pressure is weak. What do you think about it? Write in the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you later. Bye bye.